Most traders don't lose because they're reckless. They lose because they're trading without context. You've probably been there. You mark support and resistance. You wait for structure. You enter what looks like a clean setup, and then price runs straight through your level like it never existed. That moment right there is where most traders get stuck. Because the problem isn't that your analysis is wrong. It's that you're missing who is actually in control of that level. This is where smart money concepts come in. Markets don't move because of random lines on a chart. They move because large players, institutions, place size, and when they step in, they leave footprints behind. The issue is that most traders try to spot these footprints manually. They draw order blocks late. They mark zones too wide. They miss key details like buyer and seller imbalance. That's exactly what the Smart Money Toolkit was built to solve. Instead of guessing where smart money might be, the toolkit highlights it directly on your chart in real time. Order blocks are automatically detected. Liquidity zones are mapped clearly. Market structure shifts are marked as they happen. But the most powerful part? You don't just see where the zone is, you see how strong it actually is. The Smart Money Toolkit shows buyer and seller ratios around order blocks. That means you can instantly tell whether a level is defended aggressively or if it's weak and likely to fail. This alone changes how you trade. Let's break this down in a simple, real-world way. Imagine price is pulling back into a demand zone. Most traders see a rectangle and think, this should bounce. But with the Smart Money Toolkit, you see more than a box. You see that buyers heavily outweighed sellers when that zone was created. You see that price left the area with displacement, real intent. You see structure holding above the zone. Now the trade isn't a hope, it's a reaction to evidence. And just as important, the toolkit helps you avoid bad trades. If price taps an order block but the buyer-seller ratio is weak, if structure is already breaking against you, or if liquidity has already been swept, you stay out. Sometimes the best trade is the one you don't take. That's something most traders never learn, because no one teaches them what invalidation actually looks like. Smart Money Toolkit does. Now let's talk about execution. You don't need 10 confirmations. You don't need 5 indicators. The process becomes simple. You wait for the price to approach a key order block. You check the buyer and seller ratio to confirm strength. You observe structure. Is it holding or breaking? If price reacts correctly, you enter with a clear stop beyond the zone and target the next logical liquidity or structure high. No guessing, no chasing, no emotional entries. And this works across markets: Forex, indices, crypto, stocks. It works on lower time frames for scalping and higher time frames for swing trades. What makes this powerful isn't complexity, it's clarity. Most traders fail because they mix too many concepts without understanding them. They know the words, order blocks, liquidity, structure, but they don't know how to apply them consistently. The Smart Money Toolkit bridges that gap. It doesn't replace your thinking, it organizes it. Instead of staring at a messy chart full of drawings, you see clean, objective information. Instead of reacting emotionally, you react to structure. And over time, something important happens. Your confidence comes back. Not fake confidence, real confidence, built on repetition. You know why you're entering. You know where you're wrong. You know when to stay out. That's how consistency is built. Not by finding the perfect strategy, but by understanding who controls price and where they act. If you've been stuck, if you feel like you're doing everything right but still not progressing, there's a good chance you're trading without seeing the full picture. The Smart Money Toolkit gives you that picture. If you want to learn more about trading concepts like structure, order blocks, and how professionals actually approach the market, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel. There's a lot of free education here, from beginner breakdowns to advanced strategies. Subscribe, hit the bell, and start building real understanding, not just taking random trades. And if you're ready to stop trading blind and start trading with context, check out the Smart Money Toolkit from SMRT Algo and see what the market looks like when the footprints are finally visible.